Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about top 10 design patterns in software world. There are three categories guys in design patterns. Number one is the creational patterns, structural patterns and behavioral patterns. Very important guys, day-to-day work and while working on the software world. So the first one is basically the singleton pattern, method pattern, builder pattern. Structural patterns have adapter pattern and bridge pattern and facade pattern. On one hand, in the behavioral patterns, in the strategy pattern, observer pattern and state pattern and iterator pattern. On the other hand, I'm going to explain one by one. We'll see guys. The first one is the singleton pattern. What is the singleton pattern? How we are going to write in JavaScript or Python or Java or wherever you are going to use it, any language. Singleton pattern means guys and ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global access point to it, useful for configurations or loggers. Singleton let instance const create instance. And here we need to declare the your singleton object properties guys, return and the get instance and return and get instance. That get instance is singleton that get instance guys. So here only one global access point guys. So factory method pattern, this one is provides the interfaces guys and how in object oriented interfaces how it is working. The same way is going to work guys in class A and class B, and you can access through the class A properties to class B properties, the prompts of loose coupling guys, and that's what we are going to use it. And I hope this code is going to drive through guys, like in here say in the product factory, product is the class, and then I will call it in product A and product B guys, create product A and create product B. So now another one is the builder pattern. Builder pattern is the separates an object construction from the its representation, useful for complex objects with many configuration options. What does it mean? We have the many configuration options, like in a constructor this dot part one. I'm going to call it that class in product builder, one more class guys. And inside of this class, just I created in instance that builder dot build part one guys. This build part one, where it is coming from, this builder, and here I'm applying this new product, that the new product, and then I will apply for this one guys. That's what we are going to useful for complex objects with many configuration options. This builder pattern is going to useful guys. Next one is the adapter pattern. How this one is working in real world guys, allows in incompatible interfaces to work together by converting one interface to another. How it is going to work, let's see. So I have the adaptee, and this is the adapter, and then I created an object for this class, and then the request, and then again I'm going to call it an adapter. That one I'm going to request guys. That's what they enables using the existing code with the new systems guys. That's way you can use it in adapter pattern. Next is the bridge pattern. How this one is working, decouples an abstraction from its implementation, allowing independent changes to both guys and promote the flexibility and maintainability. How, like, and we have an abstraction, the construction class and implementation, then again I'm going to call it that implementation details, and again I'm calling under that constructor and utilize that one, prompts that flexibility and maintainability, allowing independent changes in both guys. Here you need to write it in your own code, and there also you can both. Next is the facade pattern guys. This one, how you are going to use it, it provides a simplified interface to a complex system, hiding its internal working, and improves the usability and maintainability. That means whatever necessary things, and you can hide it guys in how the abstraction is, how is working in OOPS concept, the same way. So facade method acts as the facade and simplifying the interface to complex subsystem. It encapsulates the encapsulation guys and functionality multiple subsystems, system A, system B, and a single method call. The client code only needs to interact with a facade method, abstracting way of the complexity of the subsystems guys. Next is the strategy pattern, allows switching between the different algorithms at runtime, encapsulates related algorithms, lets client choose the one they need. The strategy pattern allows you to encapsulate algorithms guys into separate classes and function, making in implementation you have to do it in strategy pattern. This is very important guys. Observer pattern is we are going to use in day-to-day work, and how to subscribe and unsubscribe your data, so the receive data and notify data guys. So like in here and basically we are going to talk about in notifies. It depends on the observer, on the subject, and about the changes of in state, and useful event handling in real-time updates, guys. So next is the state pattern. State pattern is allows an object to alter behavior, and when its internal state changes, encapsulates the state specific logic and transition, guys. Like in here already is the context, and context class and the state we have, and then I call it in again in the reset default state in a handling, and again I'm calling in set a state and new custom state, guys. In here I'm going to use it in set a state. So another method. So another one is the iterator pattern, guys. Iterator pattern, why you are going to use iterating, guys. Iterating means we have the array, we have the fetch the data, and the array we have array, and iterating all the arrays. The same way is loose coupling, guys, and we are going to day-to-day work, we are going to use it in our work as well. So that's all, guys, in this video. So yeah, I hope you're understanding about this one, all the patterns. I explained all the patterns, what are the important patterns in this video, guys. I hope this content it likes you. Please subscribe my channel. I will go to make it in more videos, guys, for regarding in software world. That's all, guys. For thank you. Please subscribe my channel.